How to order foreign currencies from Chase Bank. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. You want to order foreign currencies in Chase Bank, but unfortunately, Chase Bank doesn't allow foreign currency accounts. But don't worry, there are numerous alternatives available, including the Wise account, which allows you to handle 50 plus currencies and receive up to 10. Despite Chase Bank being a major entity in the US and the UK, it may not offer foreign currency services due to legal restrictions, and it is also because of operational considerations. Lack of demand is a significant factor as the bank may deem it not cost effective to provide such services. Specialized currency exchange providers may be recommended instead. Operational complexities such as maintaining inventory and managing exchange rates could also deter the banks. Additionally, risk management plays a role, as currency exchange involves inherent risks like exchange rate fluctuation and counterfeiting concerns. It's crucial to note that the availability of foreign currency services varies between banks and regions. If needed, contact Chase Bank directly or explore alternatives like dedicated currency exchange providers. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.